Hi! In front of me is TCL 403 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, you need to access your device's keyboard and tap on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, click on this gear instead. Select voice typing from keyboard settings and click on the switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard. Finally, you can click on no visible microphone and select while using the app or only this time in the pop-up. After seeing Speak Now command, start typing. If you wish to finish, click on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!